Merchant sales are the backbone of modern commerce, enabling businesses to accept credit and debit card payments seamlessly. State-of-the-art technologies that streamline business operations are equally important. Merchant services are crucial for enhancing customer experience. By offering diverse payment options, businesses can attract more customers and increase impulse purchases, ultimately expanding their customer base. As a merchant sales agent, you bridge the gap between merchants and payment processors. Your role is pivotal in helping businesses understand their payment needs and choose the best services. Educating clients on payment processing options is essential. By doing so, you empower them to make informed decisions, ensuring they benefit from the most suitable and cost-effective solution. It is our responsibility to educate merchants on their options, such as dual pricing or cash discounting, while making sure they have the best technologies available for their business. Independent sales organizations, ISOs, offer personalized services. They manage merchant accounts, providing tailored solutions without processing payments themselves. Unless you want to be responsible for moving the money around and following strict regulations, then selling through an ISO is how to be successful in this industry. Banks and credit card companies play a crucial role in ensuring secure transactions. They partner to facilitate funds movement, ensuring compliance with financial regulations.
Hey, real quick, guys, I just want to say thanks for watching and allowing me a second to promote how you can further your merchant sales business. If you aren't completely sold with your current provider, then I invite you to consider supporting my efforts to educate the industry by visiting easydirectsales.com to see if we're the right partners for you to work with. I really appreciate your support. And if you're enjoying the content, please like the videos and leave a comment, as your future topic ideas help shape my content tremendously.
Your role in merchant sales is pivotal. By reducing fees and showcasing new technologies, you help businesses streamline operations and enhance profitability. It really is that simple, and I suggest you don't overcomplicate it. Let me be among the first to welcome to the merchant sales industry. Embrace the opportunity for upfront commissions and passive income. By building strong relationships with clients, you secure a steady income stream while contributing to their success.